Egare ezi zakiriwe bakuru b'entebe ya kashatu nabo baza kuzitwara abazigabire bakuru b'entebe zo kubanza kandi bashabirwe okuzikwata je.
Ubwari babutayira gukora imirimo ya gavumenti tasanga naka abandi mu bugurize abandi ubundi mu butayira handa ambu tukorese imirimo ya gavumenti isemirire.
Bakuru b'entebe ya kashatu abaraga begare ezi nabajangu babasa kutungamo kugumirwa okugabo bwarobu aho kujya Kasese n'ensi y'enshozi.
Ubwari ubwiro bwinji ni kiguma okurangu okutemba ensozi. So ntorangu challenge eje tujya kugitunga kuba omuntu aso kuvuga kagari na tembo rusozi mu speed either nateka kusindika kanore ngo response neba ngufu muno.
Going modernization, people are sharing go from this type of kind of transport. So we really request the government, if opportunity comes, to improve on this model of transport that is being given to the LCs.
That next time they should also get the alternative, because bicycles are no longer being used for easy transport. Since Kasese, for example, in Kasese, it's a hard to reach area. We have mountains, we have areas that you cannot easily move with a bicycle.
Lieutenant Joe Walusimbi or RDC wa Kasese district na jangwa abeebembezi aba begendesereze okwata ku ebintu bya government.
They have to make sure that those bicycles are doing the right thing they're supposed to do. They are not for you as an individual. It's an office.
RDC na jirangu oraguze garage na ija kwatwa kanda junanwe.
Some people were expecting from here to go and sell those bicycles. I don't know. Sub-county chiefs, town clerks, and the gisos should make sure that those bicycles are there.
Egari 1016 nizo zihirweyo ahabwa abachairman b'entebe yo kubanza hamwe n'eya kabiri omuri Kasese district. Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi omuri Kasese.